change in a specific direction. To estimate the change in the value of a differentiable function f when we move a small distance ds from a point p0 in a particular direction u, use the formula df equal to del f at p0 dot u into ds. A differentiable function move from a small distance d move cheyana from a point p0 എന്ന പോയിന്റിൽ നിന്ന് u എന്ന ഡയറക്ഷനിൽ യൂണിറ്റ് വെക്ടറിൻ്റെ ഡയറക്ഷനിൽ ഒരു ds യൂണിറ്റ് ഒരു ഡിഫറൻഷ്യൽ ഫംഗ്ഷൻ മൂവ് ചെയ്യുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ആ ഫംഗ്ഷൻ്റെ ചേഞ്ച് കാൽക്കുലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ df എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് del f at p0 dot u into ds. del f ആണെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് ഗ്രേഡിയൻറ്റ് at p0 in dot u is the unit vector in that direction. So this one is our directional derivative into ds. So one problem, estimate how much the value of f of xyz equal to y sin x plus 2yz will change if the point P order triple xyz moves 0.1 unit from order triple 0 1 0 straight toward P1 order triple 2 2 minus 2. So we want to calculate the change in the function f of xyz from a point 0 1 0 moving from a point 0 1 0 to a point 2 2 minus 2. It moves 0.1 unit. So our formula del f at p0 dot u into ds. Here u is a unit vector, u equal to p0 p1 divided by mod p0 p1. p0 p1 എന്ന വെക്ടറിൻ്റെ ഡയറക്ഷനിലാണ് മൂവ് ചെയ്യുക. സോ ആ ഡയറക്ഷനിലെ യൂണിറ്റ് വെക്ടർ p0 p1 divided by mod p0 p1. So p0 p1 that is equal to 2 minus 0i that is 2i, then 2 minus 1 that is 1j, minus 2 minus 0k that is minus 2k, that is p0 p1. So u equal to p0 p1 divided by mod p0 p1 that is equal to 2i plus j minus 2k divided by root of 2 square plus 1 square plus minus 2 square. Okay, that is 2 by 3i plus 1 by 3j minus 2 by 3k. Now gradient of f at p0 del f at p0 0 1 0 that is equal to f is this one y sin x plus 2yz. So del f dou f by dou x with respect to x in differentiate the y constant. So y cos x, this term with respect to x differentiating into 0. So y cos x I plus dou f by dou y with respect to y differentiate. So sin x constant. So sin x plus 2z j plus with respect to z, this term derivative 0, then 2y k at order triple 0 1 0. So x in 0, y q 1, z in 0, value substitute. So this one is y1 x0, so 1 cos 0 cos 0 1, so 1i plus this term x0 is at 0, so this term 0, then y1, so 2k I plus 2k del f at 0 1 0. Now del f at p0 dot u equal to I plus 2k dot 2 by 3i plus 1 by 3j minus 2 by 3k, that is equal to dot product 2 by 3 plus 0 out minus 4 by 3, that is minus 2 by 3. Then the change df in f that results from moving ds equal to 0.1 unit away from p0 in the direction of u is approximately df equal to del f at p0 dot u into ds, that is equal to minus 2 by 3 into ds. ds is given 0.1. So this value is approximately equal to minus 0.067 unit. Okay.